Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Now if you're a person who's finding it very difficult to identify high quality stocks for intraday and swing trading, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a very unique but simple way through which you can find high quality stocks for trading in just 5 minutes. Now without further delay, let us get into today's topic. Traders, the first thing that we will do is go to Google and search for moneycontrol.com. Click on enter and then we will go to this first link, Money Control. So we are on the home page. Now in this page, we will go to this section called markets. Click on this, then scroll down. Here you will find a section called delivery stats. Can you see here, delivery stats? This is what we will click. Now I prefer to trade only in Nifty 50 stocks. So go to this select section and from here we will choose CNX Nifty so that we get only Nifty 50 stocks. Now this is the section where we are going to find high quality stocks for intraday and swing trading. Before we discuss in detail about the stock selection process, I just wanted to inform you about our free Telegram channel. Traders, we have around 14,400 subscribers, and in this free Telegram channel, every day, at least 1 hour before market opens, we share high quality trade setup with our students. A lot of students are making use of this information to improve their trading style. This is not any kind of intraday calls or tips. We are doing this just as a service so that we can educate a lot of retail traders. Now, if you are interested, I will share a direct link to this free Telegram channel in the description box below. Now, please ensure that you use the same link to join the Telegram group. Now, let's go back to the stock selection process. Now, traders, there are two important things that we need to pay attention to in this page. The first thing is trade volumes. Now, this section indicates the total trade volume of a particular stock for a particular day. For example, for 22nd July, Adani Ports total trade volume is 28,54,708. Now this trade volume section includes both intraday trade volume as well as delivery volume. Now out of this 28,54,000, I'm not interested in how many people did intraday. My focus is only on people who took delivery of the stock. If you want to check how many people took delivery of the stock, that means they did not buy it and sell it on the same day. They took delivery of the stock and they held the position. That information I will get it here, this delivery volume section. So for Adani Ports, the total trade volume for 22nd July was 28,54,000, out of which 5,90,000 was taken as delivery. This information is very important for us to find high quality stocks for trading. Let me explain to you why this is important. Now traders, tell me, if you are an intraday trader, do you do fundamental analysis of a stock? Almost everybody do not do fundamental analysis because we enter and exit the trade on the same day. Rather than fundamental analysis, we concentrate more on indicators, trend lines, support and resistance level, or option chain data. We might also trade based on the daily market news of a particular stock, right? There is no necessity for us to look into the fundamentals of the stock. But if a person is taking delivery of the stock, then it is very important that they do at least basic fundamental analysis. When the delivery volume of a particular stock is significantly higher than intraday traded volume, this simply means that big financial institution, high net worth individual, LIC, mutual fund companies, all these big players are very interested in those stocks. Now these big players are the people who create short-term and long-term trends in the market. Now if we move along with them, the probability of we making profit is significantly higher. All these big players are very powerful. They get a lot of news before us. They spend huge amount of money on resources, on tools, which provide them high quality information. Now the first thing that we need to do is we need to identify those stocks whose delivery volume is significantly higher than intraday traded volume. For that, what we need to do is you have to go here. This delivery percentage section, click on that. Now the filter is applied. The system is giving us on 22nd July which and all stock the delivery was significantly higher. Now for example, Power Grid Corporation, the total traded volume is 69,54,000, out of which 46,38,000 was taken as delivery. Rest is intraday trading. We can say approximately out of the total traded volume, more than 66% of the volume is only for delivery. Now huge volume of delivery, who can take? Big players, right? We cannot move the market. Big players can move. Same way for HUL, if you see, the total traded volume for the day is 19 lakhs. Out of 19 lakh, 12,61,000 is taken as delivery. This requires huge amount of money, isn't it? So what we need to do is, we need to concentrate on the top 4 to 5 stocks where huge amount of interest is shown by big players. Traders, we can also see this section, 5-day average delivery percentage. That means out of the total trade volume on a 5-day average period, how much was the delivery percentage? For Power Grid, 70% of the total traded volume was taken as delivery. For HUL, 54% of the total traded volume in the last 5 days was taken as delivery. This simply means that big players are accumulating these stocks. When they accumulate the stock, they move the market. Now once we identify these stocks, since we are an intraday trader, we have to do some technical analysis before we enter the trade. Now let us open 1 or 2 stocks and see how to do technical analysis or multi-time frame analysis to identify trade opportunities. Traders, the first stock which I showed you in that list was Power Grid. So we have opened the chart of Power Grid, 30 minutes time frame. Now on this chart, we have to do technical analysis to understand the current market sentiment. We already know that big players are showing interest in the stock. What can be the reason? That we will understand through technical analysis. Now what I can observe here is this level is acting as a very strong resistance level. Can you see here? The market rejected here. Again there was a rejection here. The third time there was a rejection. Correct? Same way I can notice this level acting as a strong support level. We can see here. There was a support here. Again the market continuously started taking support here. Now we can see that this level is a very good support zone. This might be one of the reason why big players are showing interest in this stock. Now if we join hands with big players, even we can make good profit from the stock. Now I can also observe that next week, that is 2nd of August, Power Grid is going to announce their earnings and revenue. Maybe these people know that there is going to be a positive news in the stock. That might be the reason why they are accumulating, right? So for swing trading, this can be a very good stock. There is a possibility that the market can take support. It can go little lower, create a range like this, and then it can give a breakout. At that time, this level can be our first target, this level can be the second target, and this level can be the third target. Now of course on 30 minutes time frame we cannot do intraday trading, right? So we have to change our time frame. Maybe I will change it to 3 minutes. Here also we can see that the market is respecting this levels. Previously we saw here the accumulation happened, then the stock went up. Same way again now the accumulation is happening. You can see accumulation is happening. From here there's a possibility that this stock can go towards the upside. Okay, so this was about Power Grid. Now let us see one more stock. Now the next stock in the list was HUL. So let us open Hindustan Unilever's chart and see what kind of movement it is doing. Now traders, this is the chart of Hindustan Unilever, 30 minutes time frame. We can clearly see that since big players are accumulating the stock, this stock is trending. It is making higher lows and higher highs. So clearly this stock is in uptrend. Now what can be the reason for uptrend? This might be because of Hindustan Unilever's earnings. On 20th they released their earning. The earning result was very good. But these big players were accumulating this stock from past some days. You can see that from 1st of July itself, they started accumulating the stock very well. Now earnings has come, good returns. After this, there is a possibility that these big players will make very good profit by selling the stock on Monday or Tuesday. Now on this stock, if you have to do technical analysis, I can see that this stock is in uptrend here and the stock is closed here. Now if I go to the past and see, this is the same level. Previously what happened? The stock was consolidating at this level and quickly it moved towards the upside. People started booking profit and the stock went down. Last time this level was acting as support. Now at the current market situation, this level is acting as resistance. Now if the stock breaks this level, there is a possibility that it can go towards the upside. It can go up to 2700. Since a round number is a psychological number. If I go back to the past and see what has happened, you can see as soon as the market hit 2700 psychological level, this stock shot up like anything. After that, profit booking started. So even this can be a very good stock for swing trading. For intraday, of course, you have to switch the time frame to 3 minutes. Now on a 3 minutes time frame also, this level is acting as a support. There's a possibility that this stock can come down, take support again, and then it can go towards the upside. Now traders, for intraday, you can use your own strategy or you can use the strategy which we teach. If you want to join our complete price action course, the link is there in the description box. You can check it out. So traders, I hope you understood how to use this information and find high quality stocks for intraday and swing trading. Now it takes a lot of time for us to create such videos for you. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. If you think this video will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one.